Cristiano Ronaldo and of course Messi. Everyone here just wants to know once and for all, who's better, you or Messi?
Messi wishes he was, but obviously I proved from when I was young I'm number one in football, and when you hear people talk about on the pitch, who is the best, I won 3 titles. Super Cup, Serie A, and Nationals Cup. You know, I play in Premier League, I have my own underwear. Does Messi do this?
Well, Virgil could.
Yeah, to be fair.
Let's see what Messi thinks. Who's better, you or him?
Who knows who is better?
Cristiano's a joker. For me, he chats. No, but he is good at football, but I am the best. Be honest with yourself. If we play 1v1, I am the best.
You wish.